Today we're going to cook the most traditional Brazilian dish. Coming up! Hi, welcome to Papa's Corner. Manny Silva here, and in this channel I share with you all my passion of cooking tasty recipes. And today we're going to make a beautiful Brazilian dish, a feijoada. If you never tried it before, it's something that is marvelous, tastes so good. If you're new here, consider subscribing and share this video with your families and friends. And don't forget to give us a like. This helps a lot our channel to grow and always post new contents for you guys. Let's cook. For this recipe, we need black beans. These beans you need to soak overnight. Smoked pork ribs, salted dry beef. This salted dry beef need to be rehydrated for 48 hours, and you need to change the water several times, between 6 to 8 hours each time. After rehydrated, the meat need to look like this: smoked pork loin, bacon, Brazilian smoked sausage, paio, and calabresa. All these specialities are thanks to my friend Flavio from Flavio's Emporium, who supplied me with all these meats you see here. His contacts are in the video descriptions and he can deliver to your door anytime. We're gonna use as well pork trotter. The pork trotter you need to boil for 20 minutes before we put on this recipe. 1 orange and some bay leaves. Our basic season. This season you can find a video in our channel. A pinch of sugar and a pinch of flavor enhancer. This is monosodium glutamate. I'll leave a link in the description where you can find this MSG. In a casserole dish, saute our basic season. Add the bacon. Add the salted beef. And the pork ribs. Using a medium heat, we are cooking now for 5 minutes with the lid on. After 5 minutes sauteing, we will add the smoked pork loin. Stir a little. And add the Brazilian smoked sausages. The bay leaves, stir a little again. Then put the soaked black beans. Add more water if necessary. Put a pinch of sugar and a pinch of monosodium glutamate. So that our feijoada has the authentic Brazilian flavor, let's add a pork trotter. If you don't like it, you can discard it later, but it's very important for it to incorporate flavor into our feijoada. And for last but not least, the whole peeled orange. Lid on, and we leave to slow cook for about 2 hours. It's very important that we check few times to see if the water didn't dry it. If necessary, we can add more water. After past almost 2 hours, we checked if the beans are cooked and checked the salt. Only at this point, if necessary, you can add a salt to taste. Never put the salt in the beginning, because we have most of the meat smoked and salted. Our feijoada is done. You can enjoy this delicious with a plain rice, sauteed spring greens, sliced orange, and you can sprinkle on top some cassava flour. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy our feijoada. If you find any recipe that you like to see in our channel, leave your suggestions in our comment section. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe in our channel. Thank you very much again, and see you next time. Bye bye.